It's Thursday, and like every morning, it is time to celebrate some birthdays today. We're starting with Henry Feist, turning 3 years old. And that Feist, that's going to turn to feisty as he gets a little bit older. So, believe me,
I bet so.
I've been there a few times. But happy birthday, Henry. Don't get too feisty yet. Just enjoy your day.
And we have a 6-year-old birthday in Pittsburgh with Miss Riley Omi. Happy birthday, Riley.
And we've got Baylor Hensley turning 10 in Jasper. And look, she's out there on the mound. She's already ready to go. Happy birthday to you, Baylor.
All right, and Zoe Tabanero turning 17 years old this year. Zoe is celebrating in Scammon.
So here's an interesting one, how the party's going to move to the bus. Adam Radlin turning 18 in Roseland, Kansas. However, Adam is an upcoming senior at Columbus Unified High School, so that party will shift to the bus. Happy birthday, Adam.
That's right, and we'll have another one here in a minute, too. Kyle Mori is celebrating birthday number 36 this year. Great picture there of Kyle in Lamar, Missouri.
We've also got Nick Johnson in Oswego celebrating birthday number 37. Nick, I hope it is a fantastic one, and hopefully you can spend it doing exactly what you're doing in that photo there.
All right, love being on the water there. And we've got Barbara Watkins turning the big 7-0 this year and looking great there, Miss Barbara. She's celebrating in Moundville.
We've also got Jimmy Waugh over in Edna, Kansas, turning 85 years young today. Jimmy, a very happy birthday to you. And that looks like, again, another just great way to spend your day. It's your day. Spend it how you want.
It's his day. I bet he takes one of those hula hoops and has a party with it.
I have no doubt he will. He'll probably take both of them, honestly.
All right, and we've got a birthday wishes going out to Mr. David Bean. And David is from Thayer, Kansas. Happy birthday from the guys at work.
Hey, it's always nice to be recognized by your colleagues, right? That means you're doing a good job. Or they don't like you. It's hard to tell. But I imagine in David's case, looking at this photo, he's doing a great job.
All right.
We also have an anniversary. The party's shifting back to the bus. Ross and Charla King having their 15th wedding anniversary in Columbus. A very happy anniversary to both of you.
My kids always hated it when I made them dress alike when we traveled. Love it, though. It's the best idea ever.
Oh, absolutely. Wife does the same thing. And it seems silly at first, and you see him, you're like, yeah, no, that was the right choice. I like this.
Yeah, easy to lose, not so much when you're dressed alike. All right, and Miss Diane Calloway celebrating in Weir, Kansas. Happy birthday to Diane. Richard Umpenauer celebrating a birthday in Riverton.
We also have Terry Broadwater celebrating a birthday over in Joplin today. And Wayne Cosby celebrating in Oswego.
All right, if you have a birthday, you can send them to us, or an anniversary as well, at birthdays@KOAMTV.com or birthdays@KOAMNewsNow.com.
And while you're there, do not forget to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club on our website. And the reason you don't want to forget is you get really cool special deals from local businesses, and it's super easy to do. You just go to our website and sign up. I'm sorry, I'm enjoying the music.
Our birthday club music is
It's phenomenal. I think we should just end the show with that. Well, here comes the bride.